I'll demonstrate some amazing power. The cards are ordinary cards. Regular playing cards, but the results it brings will definitely surprise you. Knowing the results in advance, the banker wins this round. Not disappointing, the banker wins. Have you ever had this moment? Feeling what the next round will be like, and then it turns out to be wrong. Now I'll tell you, this could have been completely avoided. 那你果是抓。The accuracy is really high. Isn't it a bit suspenseful? Keep following me. What can be predicted in advance?